What up, YouTube? Chucky Boy Customs, Big C right here with my man Cody. We on the 350Z yet again. The twin Terpskis installed. We're getting closer and closer every video. Now, last video we left y'all with upper intake is on, new spark plugs, and we relocated his power steering cooler, which is right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not, but it's right there. Anyway, now Cody is in the middle of running the lines to it from the reservoir right here. So he did get the correct lines today, and we're doing that right now. So we're gonna get that all plumbed in and you know, plugged up and connected, and I will check back in and we'll see where we're gonna go from there. So holla back in a minute. So all the lines are ran for the power steering cooler, and everything's tied up, fastened, and ready to go. I'll show you. Cody got everything all ran nice and neat, coming out right there, and then on the bracket, ready to go, looking good, if I say so myself. So now we're gonna see what we're gonna get on to next, and we'll check back and I'll inform y'all what that's gonna be. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so we're gonna attempt to get after this fuel pump, which is located in the back behind the passenger seat, and we got the fan blowing right there because it gets hot, and trying to make it comfortable as possible for Cody, because he's got to climb up. My big butt ain't getting in there. He's gonna climb in there and we're gonna have to get after it. So alright, about to get after that, so holla back in a minute. Alright, so we have the fuel pump out, got the fan kicking. Thanks again, Mom. Shout out to Mom on that. Came in clutch with the fan. But Cody's over here, got the fuel pump out, and we're gonna disassemble it, I guess. We gotta take, oh, get some gas in it, so take all the gas out. But there we go. Gotta take this part off to get into here. There's a little cylinder shows, and take that out, put the new one in. So it's in there. We're gonna get after that right now and come back. Gasoline hand. Alright, well, Cody just rebuilt the fuel pump. Got the fuel pump in there. He totally dismantled it, put it back together. Jetted the swirl jet shaws right there. And he did it, man. First time doing that, huh?
Yep.
And you did it.
Gotta have confidence in yourself.
Yes, sir. Now we're gonna put it back in. So the fun of climbing back in the little hole yet again will return. Alright, so fuel pump's in, as you can see, and Cody, he did that. He rebuilt that whole thing right here. We got that in, got the power steering A-OK, so everything's done with that, and everything's done with the fuel pump. Sorry, this is all we got on this video. It's getting late, but we're 2 more steps closer, and every video we get in there. So we appreciate y'all coming and stopping by and watching, and stay tuned for the rest of them. Thumbs up if you like this video, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and real quick, I'm at, I think as of right now, hold on, let me show y'all. This is crazy. Alright, I am at 98 subscribers. I don't know if you can see that. 98, almost to 100. That's amazing. I'm super excited. Thank each and every one of y'all for, you know, stopping by, liking these videos, watching them, and subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. So thank y'all again, and like, comment, subscribe, share these videos. Don't forget to go check out Cody's channel. Link will be in the description, and we'll catch y'all when we come back and do some more on the old girl. So till then, peace.